हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द चार्ट ऑफ निफ्टी 2020 में बहुत बड़ी मूवमेंट हमने देखी। 14,300 से हमने 7,500 और उसके बाद देन वी आर समवेयर नियर टू 13,939 एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ऑन 30th ऑफ दिसंबर 2020। केवल एक ट्रेडिंग डे रह गया है। टुमारो इज ओनली द वन ट्रेडिंग डे। फ्रॉम देयर ऑनवर्ड्स वी विल एंटर इनटू ए न्यू ईयर 2021। What would be the most important support and resistance level? उनको कैलकुलेट करते हैं। Let's do that. First, let's mark the bottom. Let's make it from bottom to bottom, a cycle of bottom to bottom. This is a one bottom which is being derived, and this is the second bottom which is at somewhere near to 10,790. Let's mark this 10,790, and the bottom which was formed on 24th of March. Let's mark that also, 7,511. Okay, now what we have to do is let's take 10,790 and 7,511. What is the difference between the two? And that is 3,290. If I add this to 10,790, I will get 14,070. So where the make or break point is, that is 14,070. So that is make or break point. Let's make the 50% of 50% also. Let's do that. Let's divide 3,279 with 2. I got 1,640. Let's add this to 7,511, which comes 9,150. 9,150. Now this is an important support and resistance, and then I will add this to 10,790, this 1,640, that comes 12,430. 12,400, 12,430, 430. Superb. That was the top. That was the top. This is the power of 50%. This is the power of 50%. This was the top, which is derived by these two bottoms. I have taken a 50% of 50%, 25%. That is the top. All right. So we can say, has it worked earlier also? If I am doing the back testing, very fine resistance over here, very fine, very good support levels over, resistance over here. These are working like a make or break point. All right. If I deduct from even 7,500, what it comes? 5,875. 5,875. This level was being breached, and then it was this. Just look at it. This level was being breached, retested, and from there the market rallied from this support to this resistance, and even it has also worked in between. All right, so this is the power of 50%. Gann used to say that 50% gives you an opportunity to trade. Let's make the half of half also. Now make it a more for the swing traders or for very short-term traders. We can derive the levels also. If we take the 50% of 1,640, that comes 819. Now let's add this to 7,511. That comes 800. Now let's add to this, that 9,150 is already there. Then add, that is 9,970, and then 10,790, that is already there. 11,609 and 14,888. These are the levels. Let's mark these also. 8330. 8330. This is the another level I have got. Then it is 1,900, 9970. 9970. Oh, this also has worked extremely good. 2 times it has taken a support on this. Next time it has breached this level and dropped. Then this time it has taken a resistance. Once it moved above this, and it has established the rally. Now next level between 10,790 to 10,790, then it is 11,609. 11,609. 609. Oh, this has worked as a resistance somewhere near to it. Worked very powerful support, very powerful support, very powerful resistance. So this has also worked very well. And now look at between 12,490, 12,430 plus 820, that comes 13,215. 13,250, which will work as a good support. And then what would be the next resistance level? That is 14,888. 14,888. 14,888. Okay, these are the levels which may help us to trade in 2021. And I can take, let's see if this also work. 7,511 minus 820. This is 6691. 6691. 6691. So these are the important support and resistance levels. Support and resistance level which may work very well in 2021. We can take a clue. We can take these as a make or break points. We can take these as a make or break point from where the possible you will get a move. All right. So this video is just for the educational purpose only. And second thing, it is this is the part of a series of concept of 50% or concept of half and double, which is already there are 11-12 videos already been placed even on Tata Motors, Yes Bank, Maruti, and there are the many other stocks also which are being covered, even crude oil. So these all are being covered and posted about a year back or so, and this is part of the series. And with this, I wind up and wish you a good luck, goodbye, happy new year, wish you a happy and prosperous new year, and lots of love and blessings to all my students.